Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something I've actually never done, and that is creating two looks using one palette. So I'm going to be showing you guys two looks using this palette right here. So I'm going to be trying out all of the products from the Sigma Viper collection, which is their limited edition holiday collection. So here is the packaging right here. The color of the packaging is so pretty. And then here are the shadows on the inside. So we have 6 shadows, and there are a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and foil shadows. And my eyes were immediately drawn to this shadow. Look at that color. It is so pretty and just so different. And I'm so excited to create two looks using this palette. So I'm going to give you more of like a natural kind of toned down look, and then this really bright, vibrant, colorful smoky eye. And then in the collection, there are also 2 new liquid lipsticks. So there is a red and then a pinky nude. So I'm going to be trying all these products out. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created 2 looks using one palette, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Sigma Beauty Viper eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Hypnotize. With my Sigma E35 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease, and this is just going to be our transition shade. I'm now picking up Adder. Now I'm switching over to my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm first going to start by tapping this shadow on this outer half of my lid. And then I'm going to start doing circular motions to start blending this up and through the crease, all the way into this inner corner. Just going back and forth and then doing circular motions to start blending it upward. Now going back in with that E38 and Hypnotize just to buff out the edges of the crease, and this shadow works so well to help blend everything out. To cut my crease, I'm going into Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in Fair. Using my Sigma E06 wing liner brush, I'm going to look straight ahead into the mirror and start carving out where I'm going to cut the crease right onto the fold of my crease. Then I'm going to pick up the same concealer on my Sigma F70 concealer brush and start filling in the empty area. And then do swiping motions where the shadow and this concealer will meet to blend it out. For my lid, I'm picking up Beguile. Now I picked this shadow up on my F70 concealer brush by Sigma, and I'm going to start tapping this over top of the concealer. And this shadow is really cool. It has a pink and green duochrome finish to it. And then I'm going to highlight my inner corner with that same shadow. I'm now going into Copperhead. With my Sigma E20 short shader brush, I'm going to start running this shadow along my lash line. And then just start smoking that out. I'm now just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and for this look I'm going to be going into these Eyeshadow lashes in Gin and Tonic. And that's the eye look done. So I wanted to pair this look with more of a bold lip because the look is kind of more on the natural side and kind of more toned down. I feel like we can get away with a nice bold lip. So today I'm going to be going into this Sigma liquid lipstick in Venom. It's a really pretty red, and I feel like it'll tie in perfectly with my lower lash line. So you could definitely do a bold lip like I am today, or you could do a nude that would look really pretty as well. So let's apply this. First shadow I'm picking up is Hypnotize. I'm first going into my Sigma E30 diffuse crease brush and start running this shadow through my crease. This is going to be our transition shade and help make that emerald shade much more blendable. And I'm so excited to be using the greens and blues from this palette, so I'm going to be creating the most intense blue smoky eye. I'm now going into Malevolent. Now I switched over to my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm using a really light hand to start blending this through the crease. I find that with colorful shadows, sometimes they can get really patchy if you do apply a really hard pressure with your brush. So if you use a light hand, you won't have any problems, and these shadows are really nice and blendable. So I'm just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, blending that through the crease, and then circular motions. Now going back into Hypnotize and applying this at the very high point of the crease. I always like to bring back the transition shade just to blend everything out at the very last step. I'm now picking up Sinister. So I picked this shadow up on my finger, and now I'm just going to start swiping this all across my lid. And then what I do is I'll bring my finger kind of where that fold of my crease and my lid is, and I'll kind of swipe down there just to kind of apply that shadow into that crease area just at the very low point. And then I'm going to go back into my E25 and start blending that crease. And it's really cool, the teal through the crease will transform into this really cool blue-green shadow. And it just looks so pretty, and I love how easy these two blend into each other. Now I'm going to mimic the same thing that's through my crease. So first going in with Malevolent and my E54 medium sweeper brush and running this all along my lash line. And then picking up Sinister on my E15 flat definer brush by Sigma and running this shadow really close to my lash line. And then start smoking that down. And then picking up Malevolent again and just running that right over top of this blue just to blend it out and kind of get that same effect that's going on through my crease. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up Beguile. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner with my Sigma F70 concealer brush. To line my waterline and tight line, I'm going into Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil in Wicked. I'm first going to line my upper waterline. And now I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be going into these Lashylicious lashes and Flirtylicious. And that's the eye look done. I am obsessed with this eye look. I love how bright and colorful it is. I mean, you guys know I love my colorful look, so this just makes me so happy. And it is so different from the first look. I'm obsessed. So for my lips, I'm going to keep them nude because this eye look is so intense and bright that I really want to keep the concentration all on the eyes. So I'm going to go into this Sigma liquid lipstick in Anti-Venom. And that is it. Those are the two completed looks using the Viper collection by Sigma. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's something different from what I usually do, but it was fun doing it for you guys. Not easy, let me tell you, but it was so much fun. And this lipstick, as I was putting it on, I was about to stop and tell you guys, but then I was like, you know what, let me finish it and then I'll tell you at the end. The shade is so pretty and it feels so nice and comfortable on my lips, and they're matte. Nothing on my hand, which is amazing. To have a comfortable matte liquid lipstick, that's a plus. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And the list of all the products that I use along with brushes will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And a quick note, I have mentioned this before and I'm going to mention it again, Sigma brushes actually have a 2-year warranty on them. So if you guys are looking for some new brushes to get, definitely get your hands on the Sigma ones. I'll have everything listed down below for you guys. And I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!